I want to share with you another great way to use UpViral for your auto posting. So I created a series of graphics for my Halloween campaign. Now, obviously, if you have a niche marketing website, you'd want to create a Facebook page to support that niche market. So if you have a gluten-free website, then I would have a gluten-free Facebook page. If you have a Halloween website, a Halloween Facebook page. It just makes total sense. So these graphics are 1080 by 1080, 1080 wide by 1080 high, and try to avoid putting any kind of text in the picture itself because Facebook likes to see a maximum of 25% coverage of text. I found that these work the best. I get some great responses. My average response I get with these is anywhere between 600 and 1250 views within a couple of days. So the way this works is you still have to make a project. So let's do this. So I'm going to create a project, and the project that I'll make is a picture project. So I'm going to go to, say, My Music Network. I'm going to create. So let's say that I wanted to post. Let's say I want to post something at, I always put the time here, 7:17 p.m. And we'll call this free training. A music website. Okay, now similar to my previous video, so we're going to go image content, grade, start date will be today, 10 days through the 31st, and the time is going to be 7:17. So we'll change this to 7, we'll change this to 15. 16, 17. For some reason, I found out 17 after the hour is a great sweet spot for posting. Great project. Okay, so the next step we do, and this is really pretty cool, I go to pictures, then I pick a project that I just created, which was my iMusic. So I go to iMusic, My Music Network, make sure you pick the correct project, not 333, 717. Then I come over here and I want to say, upload images. Now you can batch uploads. So I'm going to go and navigate my way to where I keep these files. So I have files under, let's go here, and let's go to music, and let's go to viral reach, and let's go to ads. I'm going to select all and open. Upload. I'm going to pause the video. So once those files are uploaded, come over here to get and view 10 pictures because that's what I upload. Now, if you don't like the order of this, here's what I suggest you do. I would suggest shuffling them first. You don't have to do this. I'm just sharing with you a concept. If you shuffle this, then you can basically see how this looks. Now, if you put content in here, which I always suggest you do, with some kind of call to action or hashtag, but here's what I want to share with you. If you put content in here and you go to shuffle, that kills the content. So don't put the content in there until you like the shuffle order. So I'm just going to shuffle this one more time. 2 more times. 3 more times. The reason is I already have those posted. This little kid with the thumbs up. So that's perfect. So I'm going to paste. I'm going to pause the video for a second because it's the same paste. Now, I happen to be using Adobe Fireworks, which is no longer made, but you could do this in Photoshop, you could do this in Cambia, which is a free application, web application, any graphics program. But what I suggest, you make it 1080 by 1080 squared, and I'm going to go and submit this post. Once the post is done, it'll say post is done. Then I'm going to go to my Facebook page. Inside my Facebook page, I go to Publishing Tools, then go to Schedule Post, and I can see the posts that are here. Now, if you want to change, this is a Facebook thing. If you want to change, make sure, by the way, before you post, make sure you spell check your content before you post. There's nothing worse than having a sloppy post with a bunch of typos. I made that mistake before because sometimes I don't listen to my own medicine. So let's say that I wanted to change the time on this. This is scheduled for 7:17, but let's say I'm a little impatient and I want to change that to, let's go to reschedule. So let's make this 6:55. So I'm going to change that to 6. Actually, what it is, I can't go back in time. So let's make this 55 first, and then make this 6. Make sure it's PM. So reschedule. So now this is going to publish at 6:55. Now, if you want to see what it looks like in the final post, I can click right here, and I can see what it looks like. Now, if you want to make any editing changes, then I can click right here. That opens up a brand new window. And then from here, I found it better to just close this window and just edit it from here. So I can just go to edit post, and I can do any kind of changes, etc., etc. So that's in a nutshell working with posted graphics. Again, you can do this in Canva or Photoshop or any graphics program that you have. Canva is free, but I found I get really great responses. In fact, let me share this with you. So I posted this in the morning. I guess this was Sunday. Yeah. So it's now Tuesday. I got 820 people, 25 engagements. So this type of format works, whether it's a photo or whether it's the photo with the up at the bottom. This one's actually getting a good response too. 230 people reached. So you want to keep the text away from this area. Put the text on the top or put the text on the bottom. Again, this is a 1080 pixels wide, 1080 pixels tall. That's your maximum size that I can use. Anyway, thanks for being here. Talk to you soon.